Hello friends, today we have a question. 4 raised to the power 123 multiplies 625 raised to the power 60, and we have to evaluate this expression, and our answer will be in scientific notation. So we can write 4 raised to the power 123 as 4 raised to the power 3 plus 120. It is same as 123. Multiply 625 can be written as 25 raised to the power 2, and its whole power is 60. So as we know that a raised to the power m plus n, which can be written as a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n. So we will use this exponential rule here. So it will become 4 raised to the power 3 and 4 raised to the power 120. And here we have used this exponential rule, which is a raised to the power m whole power n, which is equal to a raised to the power mn. So it will become 25 raised to the power 2 into 60 is 120. So from here 4 raised to the power 3 is equal to 64, and we can write it as a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m. We can write it as a into b raised to the power m. So it will become 4 into 25 raised to the power 120. So from here 64 multiply 4 into 25 is 100 raised to the power 120. Now we have to find the answer in scientific notation. So it can be in the form of b multiply 10 raised to the power a, where b is coefficient, and b can be greater than or equal to 1 but less than or equal to 10. So from here it can be written as 64 multiply 100 can be written as 10 raised to the power 2 into 120. So from this exponential rule it will become 64 multiply 10 raised to the power 2 into 120 will become 240. Now we have to find the answer in scientific notation. So we will convert 64 between 1 to 10. So we can write it as 6.4 multiply 10 raised to the power 1. So it will become 10 raised to the power 240. If bases are same, then powers will be added. So it will become 10 raised to the power 1 plus 240. So we can write it as 6.4 multiply 10 raised to the power 241. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.